Hi guys. If you're watching this, that means that I'm probably having a baby. I'm filming this in advance, so you guys have some actual chemistry instruction while I'm gone. So I'm filming from my house. I can show you around. It's a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Daisy. So here's Daisy. She's very old. She's my little sweetheart. I got her when she was a puppy, and now she's an old lady. Hey, leave her alone. She's 14. She's my little princess. She's a Corgi Pomeranian, and she's pretty tiny, but she's really fuzzy. Say hi. All right, and then you can go back to your nap now. We're off. Come here, big guy. Come here. Come here. Come on. Up. And then this big chunk. This is Archie. And they don't know to look at the camera. Over here. Look. Wow. Good job. This is Archie, and he is 3 years old. And so they are my best coworkers while I film these videos. So there we go. And I already know that I miss you guys. And I feel like this is like virtual again, like COVID style, but it'll just be temporary because I don't have that many sick days. So don't stress out. I actually really love my job. I love working with you guys, and I want to come back as soon as possible. So let's see, pull out your binders. And I think yours is the pink unit. I'm not 100% sure. I printed this at home on white, but I think it's supposed to be unit 3, whatever color that is. I think it's pink. And once you have that set of papers out, pull out this one from the front that has the overview of the assignments on it. And let's get this set up so you can see it. I do apologize. The recording is going to make a lot of very crunchy noises. I will do my best to minimize them, but this is what happens when you zoom in. So it's really gross and crunchy. Sorry. So here's the paper. I try not to zoom in and out too much. Unit 3, we've already, hopefully, I'm anticipating we'll be in Unit 3. Unit 1 is atomic structure and properties, kind of a review of honors chem. Unit 2, instead of working with atoms, we're working with molecules and ionic compounds and what happens when you take a single atom and then we put it together to make something else. And then Unit 3 is on intermolecular forces and properties. So look at how this builds. This is just one single atom. This is either a molecule or a compound. These are bonded together. And then in Unit 3, we're going to take multiple of those bonded together pieces. And now we're wondering, what's the connection between them? What's going on that means between, molecular, just like I crossed out up here because I said the word compound was better, but maybe I should have written molecule. So intermolecule forces. So Lego brick turns into Lego structure. Make multiple of those structures and what's going on between them. That's Unit 3. The homeworks and stuff that correspond to this section, of course, these are the notes. Some of the notes, like 15, have multiple homeworks that go with it, homework A and B. And although it doesn't necessarily look any longer here than the other chapters. It looks about the same. Check this out. This is from the College Board. It talks about how much each unit is worth on the test. So unit 1 is like, I don't know, I'm just going to round that up, about 10% of the test. Unit 2 on the high side would be about another 10%. And unit 3 on the low side here is going to be about 20%, even kind of close to 25%. So unit 3, even though it's not necessarily a ton bigger, it is worth a lot. I think it's actually worth the most, like, per chapter. Now, if you're wondering, this document is on Canvas. You can find it over here. These are the official sections that the College Board put together. They don't correspond to anything in our notes. This is just the document that I go off of to make your notes. But it does come in handy when you're trying to study. Like, do I know how to, can I explain differences in properties such as the melting point, boiling point, vapor pressure, phase, by intermolecular force strength? If that doesn't make any sense to you, that's not, well, at this point it doesn't matter, but by the end of the chapter, that won't be any good. Explain the relationship variables using the ideal gas law, PV equals nRT. This is on Canvas if you want to look at it, but the only reason I was showing you this document is that even though unit 3 doesn't look any different, it is worth so much more than a lot of the other units. Okay, so there's kind of the intro video for the chapter. In these videos, I'm going to go through with you. We'll do notes together, we'll do homework together. You should be watching these in class, but if you want to watch them outside of class, they're just on YouTube, so you can watch them at home if you miss a day, or if you want to rewatch them. So email me if you have questions. I can meet with you over Zoom for tutoring and stuff like that. Okay, good luck.